Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add a photo inside text or an image into your text. It's a really simple thing to do. So first thing is to the first thing is to drag our image into GIMP. So there we go. And we can convert or keep it depending on what you want if this comes up. So there we go, we now have our image. Now we need to add the text. It's really simple to do. You just press that big A, you want to click, drag it to the right size. I have found this effect works best with big text, just because it stands out a bit more. So there we go. Now, how to use GIMP, good enough. And now we just increase the size. If you need it small, you can always keep it small. I think it looks better and clearer when you have bigger text. So once you've got your text size to how you want it in your text, you then just, sorry, let me just put it so it still be red. There we go. You now want to make sure you want to click on your colored layer, so the layer with your image. The link to download this image will be in the description. Then once you've right clicked on your image, you want to press add layer mask, black full transparency, and add. You then want to go back onto your text layer. With your magic wand, you want to click on the first layer, and then shift click on every other letter. Holding shift means add, so it doesn't delete the rest. And the reason you want to click on the first one normally is so you have one to add to. Once you have added all of your letters to your selection, you press enter. You then click back onto your colored layer and press delete. You then can want to hide your text layer. So as you can see, you have the color. Something else you might want to do is with the bucket tool, make sure you've deselected everything, so go to select, none, and then with the bucket tool, you might want to just set a black background or a white background so you can see everything. You won't be able to you won't be able to select a layer directly to this because it's got your text. So you're going to have to create a new layer, okay, drag it to the bottom, and there we go. How to use GIMP. This was a really simple thing to do. It's a really nice looking effect. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider leaving a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. The link to download this image will be in the description, like always. Bye.